Just now you have alleged that one first time MLA asked for 10 lakh from a minister. So what do you have to say?
I enjoyed tweet Tera. The tweet I very clearly stated. The story is about an office bearer, an MLA and a minister. The office bearer had a housing project. He approached the MLA for clearance. The MLA told him that I cannot clear your file until I get 10 lakhs of rupees. When asked why, he said the minister will ask me for the money. So the office bearer complied. After a few weeks, the office bearer moved into a very powerful position in the state. At that time, when he had the opportunity to meet the minister, he asked that minister, why did you take 10 lakhs from me? The minister said, I did not take 10 lakhs from you. I don't know what you're talking about. He said, no, this MLA asked me for this purpose. So the MLA was called. When the MLA was called, it was realized that the minister denied every conversation of the money, and the MLA was left with no option but to return that money, and he was given 2 installments to return. 5 lakhs was the return bit. Now, the reason I put it out is that if an office bearer of the ruling government has to pay a bribe when the government is the party itself, then what is the state of the common man in Goa? Today, Goa is got such a bad name after the Birch fire tragedy, where 25 innocent people have died, but nobody over there decided to do the right thing and do their duty in following the procedures and the processes that were already there. They allowed an illegal nightclub to flourish for 2 years, and because it was not demolished, because it continued, 25 people died. Now, if that is the level of corruption that we saw over there, and now that I put out this information, please look at the level of corruption and what is the impact on the common man. Today, if an office bearer of the party has to pay a bribe to get his own housing project done, what is the nature and the status of the common man?
But that MLA has authority to clear the housing project?
Yes.
Yeah.
He had, so one of the files that he has to be cleared in the sense it has to go through him.
Sajid, you know everything about this MLA, and so why you are not complaining this and not naming these people? Who are they?
I will only name them to people I trust. And if Mr. B.L. Santosh ji, J.P. Nadda ji, Amit Shah ji and Modi ji ask me who the names are, I will give them the names. But let me tell you one thing. If I know this information, I would have got this information from either the 3 of them. I got it from one of the 3 of them, no?
MLA, minister, office bearer.
Or the office bearer. So it's not my duty to tell the party, the system where it's gone wrong. My duty is to tell them that if the office bearer has gone through this and he does not have the courage to talk about it, but is willing to talk to anybody else, or if the minister has gone through it but he does not have the courage to talk about it, or the MLA has gone through this but does not have the courage to talk about it, at least I can talk about it for the common people. Because if the office bearer has gone through it, what is the state of the common man? So if they were to ask me who the people are, nobody in Goa will ask me the question. I will not answer any of them.
Okay, Damu Naik.
But Damu Naik has said if you have a proof, then he should prove. He has to show why he is.
And also you are not having any position in BJP.
Well, I don't know what he means by no position, but officially I don't have a position as an office bearer, but I'm a state executive member. So I don't know what that means. By a state executive member means I have some position in the state executive committee, no? I'm not a spokesperson, yes. I'm not a, those IT cell person, no. I'm not one of the other members of the party, that's correct. But I am a state executive member when I last checked my name. So I don't know what he means by that. He'll be able to answer that. Because I put out a tweet on 19th June 2025 when they had announced a BJP state executive member, that this was my name was on that list. Unless he's cancelled it, then I haven't received any such notification of a cancellation of my state executive. And coming back to the question on proof, okay, do you think any corruption where cash is paid, anybody has got proof? Did I have the camera with me at that time? The reason I'm telling the story is not because of the office bearer or the minister or the MLA. The reason I'm telling this story is because of the common people. The Birch nightclub is a reflection of the corruption in the state.
You said you will give names only to those trusted ones. So you don't trust BJP President Damona?
I never said I don't trust him, but he's not asked me. Let him ask me, no?